Right, good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well wherever you happen to be in the world right now. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions that you may have, please feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I think I'm up to date with all my comments. I did them all the other day. So I made a video the other day about this AI Doge because I've been scratching around for a meme coin to invest in. And I'm starting to have doubts about it. I'm starting to think it might be a bit scammy. So I want to go over the concerns I've got regarding the project and why I personally wouldn't recommend. Well, I'm not saying don't invest in it. What I'm going to say is that I don't have a referral code because that's not been set up yet. But were I to have a referral code, I wouldn't use it because I wouldn't want someone investing in this to my benefit, because I think this could just be a complete scam. I'll start off by going over the cryptocurrency market just to see how things are looking over the weekend. We've got a market cap of $1.13 trillion, which is up 0.33% today. Very low trading volume. It's Sunday, so that's $22 billion trading volume, and Bitcoin dominance is at 46.3%. Bitcoin's down. It's at nearly 27,000. Well, it's not down. It's like down from last week. It's sort of holding above that 25k mark. Ethereum's been selling off of late. That's down to 1800, having been over 2000 for quite some time. Throughout the rest of the top 10, marginal sell-offs. XRP's coming back towards 40 cents, having been as high as 50 not that long ago. Solana's down to $20.96, and it's lost all the gains it made on, it's Polygon. Polygon's dropped out of the top 10. So yeah, the top 10's not looking. Well, it's just fairly flat. It's the weekend. Normally a lot happens. Biggest rises over the last 24 hours. Nothing much. Just Conflux is the only ones. 9%. Carver's up 9%. And then below that, nothing massive. But the reason I've been looking into these meme coins, you look at this, Pepe's up. It's only a tiny bit, but this, you've got Saudi Pepe. That's up 856%. Milady meme coin, that's 35%. But I remember one day last week, that was up 11,000% in a day. So it's absolute madness what can happen within this space, especially meme coins. What is the top meme coin at the moment? It's probably still Doge. You got Doge, Shiba, Pepe, Floki, but yeah, Pepe's the one that's done the best out of everything recently, which is why everyone's scratching around looking for the new thing. Which is where I came across this AI Doge and got involved in the pre-sale. I was like, oh, that looks interesting. My concern at the time was that when you bought the tokens, you wouldn't actually be able to sell them on the open market until Q3 of this year. So we're talking September at the very earliest. So that was my first red flag. The gas fees are incredibly high. It's on the Ethereum network where I bought it with USDT, and it cost me, I think, about $15 in gas. They're not dropped straight to your wallet. They're held on the website. If you look just there, you can see I've got 3.5 million tokens. I only bought $100 worth. I paid $15 in gas fees to buy them, but this is fairly shady as well. You have to pay, and probably another $15 to move them onto my actual Ethereum wallet, onto my MetaMask. So there's two gas fees rather than just adding the token address to your MetaMask and then dropping it straight in there initially. They've not provided you with that information yet. It's red flags are springing up all over the place. Another thing that concerns me is there's already a token called AIDOGE, this AIDOGE, and it uses the ticker AIDOGE. So if you go to CoinMarketCap, this is ARBDOGE. It's up 12.5% today, but this is tradable. If you go to markets, it's actually already out there because someone commented on my previous video. So I know you can trade it here, you can trade it there, but it's a different token. This is already out there. Look at all these places you can do it. Well, you can do it on where's the I can't remember what I was going to say. It's gone now. But look, this has got the ticker symbol AI Doge. So when this pre-sale ends, what ticker symbol is the AI Doge that I've invested $100 in, and supposedly, which I'm beginning to doubt, they reckon that they've sold $7.7 million worth of this. I'm not convinced of that. Pre-sale keeps getting pushed back. It's 4 days until it finishes, but what's the ticker symbol going to be for that when it gets launched on the open market? Because you can even go to TradingView and look at this AI Doge. That ticker symbol's taken. So is this a complete rip-off of something that already exists and people are just taking advantage of the whole AI and meme thing? So yeah, the gas fees to get it into your wallet, I think that stinks a bit. What else was something I wanted to say? Yeah, you've got to pay to get the the stuff into your wallet. All of this data up here, I don't know where these transactions are being confirmed, but I'm starting to think that I don't mind. I've only invested $100, but I'm starting to think that possibly I've fucked up here. But I'm quite happy to admit that. I'll hold my hands up. I didn't tell anyone to invest in it. I just said I found it interesting, and I'm supposedly, according to the Telegram group, I have a referral code. Were I to get one, I wouldn't be sharing it because I don't want anyone getting on this through me and me profiting out of it. I've not done it with anything I've been invested in. The only links you'll find in my profile are those to like Coinbase, Binance, and BitTrue, and my Twitter account. I don't set up teams for like DeFi projects and that whatnot. I just don't do it. I don't want people losing money on my account. I just share the things that I am invested in. And one of the biggest red flags about this is there's a crypto channel called Crypto Gains, and he will shill the absolute fuck out of anything. I remember a few years ago he was talking about some absolute dog shit of a project called Goose Finance, and yeah, if you go through some of his videos, he will shill absolutely anything, and I found this on his list. So if he's shilling it, then it stinks as far as I'm concerned. I'm not discrediting the man, but I just find him very disingenuous in some of the things that he recommends. I know that some YouTubers do get paid to make reviews and recommend tokens, but this is definitely something I'm not recommending. If you do invest in this, I would recommend to go in with extreme caution. I like the website looks fairly clean and all that, and their plans look all right, but I could be completely wrong about this. But I'm seeing a lot of red flags. So, like I always say of anything, like only invest what you can afford to lose, and yeah, be very careful with crypto in general, DeFi, but especially these meme tokens. DeFi and meme tokens are very sort of shady areas. There are a lot of pump and dumps out there. I've been burnt before, and I think I've probably but that's why I only stuck $100 in, just on the off chance. Maybe everything's fine and I'm just overthinking things. But I made that video where I was almost saying, oh, this looks quite good, but I sort of want to correct myself and say, look, I'm starting to have second thoughts about this. That's just my opinion on it. And having seen this, and AIDOGE has already been, how long's it been out? Not that long, gone to the daily chart. It's not even grown any moving averages there. It's only got a signal line on the MACD. So it's been out since the 18th of April. So, this has been out for a while. It's had a nice little run up. Let's just check percentage wise what you could have made out if you got in the pre-sale. You could have made, where's the percentage? Not telling me. But, you could have done all right out of it, basically. But yeah, perhaps this isn't the meme coin to be invested in. Perhaps it's better to look for some other pre-sales, or perhaps Pepe's got some more legs. Let's have a look at the Pepe chart before I go. I'm going off on a tangent now. I often do that in my videos. I don't script anything. I just is there a reversal? There is a reversal pattern in there. Were this daily candle to close above that, I would call that a buy signal. But it's not looking like it's going to close on another doji. There's a lot of indecision in the market. It's the weekend. Retail traders are holding the fort. So I wouldn't expect much to happen. Let's look at the 4 hourly, see if there's any trades setting up there. No, it's just more consolidation. Price sitting below the 50. 100 is sloping up, which is fairly good. It's a slower moving average, so for that to be sloping up is quite good. But that's probably from the momentum back here. Any divergences? Nope. What about on the 2 hourly? No, everything just looks fairly flat. It's like a sort of bull flag type thing put in play. You've got your flagpole there and the flag there, so it's not something I'd be looking at invested in at the moment, but we'll see how things go tomorrow, because there is potential for growth. Can it reach all-time highs again from where it is now? That's 150%. Can it do it? If you look at Doge historically, I've got that on my list. I'm sure I have, because it's been around. Is that Doge? No, it's Drip. That's an actual dog shit of a project. When I say that, it's something I've been invested in. I've been heavily critical of it of late. If you go onto like the monthly chart of Doge or the weekly chart of Doge, you can see there's been like run-ups. There was like initial breakout there. What was that? Like 703%. Pulled back. People thought, oh, I've lost out here. And a few weeks later, we get this massive, another 890%. So, anything can happen in this space. So even if I'm wrong about this, all it takes is for Elon Musk to say, oh, I like the look of AIDOGE, and you never know what could happen. But personally, I wouldn't be holding my breath on that one. I think I've talked far too long about this. Basically, I'm saying I'm concerned, and be very careful in what you invest in. So I'll finish there. I wish you all a wonderful evening. if you could subscribe, I'm nearly at 500 subscribers. I'd like to reach that by the end of the month, which is like, that gives me 16 days, so that'd be nice. Any comments, that helps with the algorithm. Drop a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience so they can listen to my inane ramblings about cryptocurrency. I'll start making more videos about more blue chip cryptos like I ordinarily do. I vowed to stay away from this DeFi project until certain things happen, but that's for another time. So like I said, I wish you all a wonderful evening. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.